After 3 days of hard work, approximately 80 kilometers traveled, and over 10 kilometers of portaging, we finally arrived at the McCaskill cabin. We then enjoyed a much-needed rest day at one of Algonquin's best interior cabins.
You can never quite tell on camera, but there's a decent storm coming in. Heavy wind kicked up. There's been thunder all morning, which is fine. We're at the cabin. It can rain all day if it wants. We have some visitors this morning. Just started to rain after my last video, and the M&R people are on their way out. So I guess they're traveling to a couple lakes in the area, and they're doing some netting, studying the fish populations. So they're off to another lake for the rest of the day, and then they're going to come back to, I think, this cabin after we leave tomorrow. So it'll be a pretty sweet job. Nice people. They did roll up here pretty early in a big F-250, so that was a nice wake-up call. But we get it. They're just doing their jobs. But it's starting to pour rain, so breakfast?
If you're going, you might as well go.
Lost the GoPro.
Corn and pepper mix, rehydrating nicely. We also have the taco meat, rehydrating nicely. As my girl Martha Stewart once said it and forget it. Did she say that? I don't know.
So for our tacos, we have a rehydrated corn pepper mix. So on our tortilla with some cheese. And we have our taco meat. Actually rehydrated quite well, not too watery. Try and drain a bit of the water off that. Round one.
With the leftover hot water, I am having a hot emergency. Phrasing.
That's a hot emergency.
All emergencies are hot. It's like a bubbly. It's like a poor man's Neocitran.
Oh, it is taking a video. I can see this in a minute. I'm about to get a large fry, 20 nuggets, and a large Coke.
I'm not telling you anything, you damn dirty.
20 nuggets, a large fry, a large Coke.
Never saw her.
One sidey. I'll give you one sidey.
Who's good? You're bad cop? Are you good cop? What do you got?
What if I could give you one sidey right now?
Hey?
What if I could give you one sidey right now?
Put the sidey on the table. I'll tell you where the bodies are. Oh, a gold one too!
20 nugs, a large fry.
I didn't do it!
Coke.
I didn't do it, I swear. Deal. 20 nugs. Large fry, large Coke. Can you combo it? Okay.
I don't know.
Stop the recording. Can you combo 20 nugs?
No,
Because
but
I'm not paying full price for a drink and fries. I think like that's where I draw the line here.
but dollar drink days, man.
So I'm not paying full price for the fries.
Drink is $1.
I'll buy you 20 nugs and a dollar drink.
And a medium fries.
Small. 20 nugs, small fry, extra large drink on dollar drink days.
Fair. I'll do that deal. Best sidey I ever purchased.
You did have one.
Carried it around for 4 days.
A gold one too.
I thought you did throw it in the lake when you went fishing.
No,
So after further consultation, I did do it.
Hey Evan, thanks for being so predictable.
Alright, tonight is butter chicken. So we got these bags of rice boiling. Hopefully they turn out. And then over here, and this is all food that Rich made at home. This is a butter chicken sauce, which turned out quite nice. And then I think we need to give this a stir. We'll have to drain this a bit, but this is all the chicken. So Rich spent a lot of time at home. We didn't bring any pre-packaged dehydrated meals, so we've been eating like kings. It's all thanks to this guy.
Oh yeah. What were you thanking me for?
All the food.
Oh, no problem, bud.
It's after 7 o'clock of our day, our rest day. We've been hanging around the cabin. We went for a swim today. Played some cards, collected some wood. The sun is now going down in the distance. Just been a very relaxing day. Sat on the porch, had several pots of coffee, read my book. It's just been a nice way to rest, relax, get our bodies right for tomorrow, and just mind, body, and soul. We needed it. We got a decent amount of sleep, went for a nap. We're going to be in a good place tomorrow to start our day with a big 2.4 kilometer portage first thing in the morning. So today was a good day.
Rolling for days. Who's up? What are the odds? How many jacks have come up?
Always a black.
Oh, now it's starting a video. Guess it would have been off for Ryan murdering us. Oh, I lost the GoPro. At least we caught it.